Hello again. This is tape 5. If I get another phone call, I swear to God I'm going to wreck my new cell phone. Okay, let's take off the props because I had this on for a long time. It's 103 outside, and you know when you're wearing one of these it gets very, very uncomfortable. So I take my tape, take a deep breath, exhale carefully. I have COPD and I have only 1.5 lungs, so it's hard for me. Okay, let's take this off, take off the hat. Oh, and the glasses, I have glaucoma, so if it's really bright, I go white blind, I can't see anything. Today's coverage we're going to cover is the food pantry. Okay, if you have a wardrobe or a closet, that's ideal. Cabinets, because Happy Prepper showed his, and that's a cabinet. It's okay, but it's a good start. You want to do better. All right? Now, big thing is, we're going to talk about what kind of food's in the pantry. Okay, we're going to talk about canned food. We're going to talk about dry food and bulk food. We're not going to touch water. And this is mainly for Miss Vital Survival. I have 2 more segments for Palmetto Prepare Anthony, and I forgot the other person. Shoot. Sorry, brain's going. Uncle Alan's been up since 4:30 in the morning. I don't sleep at night. I don't breathe well. And if you see my sleeping area, it's like, oh my God, how does he sleep? Not very comfortably. I have to sit in a certain position, lying down, with my feet elevated with the CPAP thing on. So I don't get that much rest. I get about 4 hours of sleep minimum. And then I go work at my nephew's dairy / farm / ranch. And because we're short-handed and most of his people that doesn't follow procedures, we lose them to disease and sickness. Okay? Everybody's seen my recent videos, how many of my extended family went. Okay, it's not fun, folks. All right? First off, we're going to talk about canned goods. All right? You should have some kind of canned goods like this, or vegetables, or some kind of meat item. Okay? Easy as pie. Not rocket science. You want something with a solid lid instead of the pull top lid. And if you have it, you want this in the back and this in the front so you can use it right away. And this is for Miss Vital Survival. Next step is dry goods. Where'd I put that damn thing at? Getting old. Okay, next step is dry goods. I get a lot of emails on this. What's a dry good, Uncle Alan? And it's like, oh God, does these people know anything? Now, in the canned food, you could also get canned food for what? Infants and dogs and cats, whatever. So remember, and you want the solid top, not this type for long-term storage. All right, because you could eat the cat food or dog food if necessary. Dry goods are something like this. All right, cheap, inexpensive, easy to prepare. You cook it. You add water. This one's just water only. Or you can add this one that takes butter, oil, water, or sometimes they'll take milk powder. So you use this. All right, simple as pie. Feeds 2 persons. Okay, but you got to understand that's dry goods. What dry goods fall under? Family cereals. Cereals falls underneath that. And whatchamacallit, nuts. Anything in a package that you can buy at the grocery store that's dry, that you have to cook it, that's basically it. Dried goods. Next one, it's real simple, but people get this all mixed up. This is not a dry good or a canned good, but it's a jar food, and it's in between. I will put it in the canned food section because you can twist off the top. You have to be careful with these. They have a shorter lifespan, and they're in the same category as canned and dry foods. You could eat it out of the can, or you use it for cooking. Now this one is Jif. Already my nephews have got into it to make sandwiches. And it's like, oh Lord. And so you see, I have to get 2 more of these because this is my last one. And it's already, I usually carry 3 of these. And that always drives Uncle Alan nuts. Now, back to the dry goods. We're going to talk about bulk goods. Okay, we're not going to talk about water. That's a whole separate issue. We're going to talk about bulk goods. Now, if you want to see something good on water issues, go check out Camp Pat and his family compound, his live streams. We covered this. We also covered this Friday. We're going to cover survival cereals and grain. Please check it out. It's a very good live stream. Between me and Gail and a few other people, we know a lot of grains. Okay, not cereals. When you say survival cereals, everybody gets this image of some guy pouring shelf-stable milk into a bowl of Cheerios. Okay, we're talking survival grains. All right, and you've got to know what you're doing. You can't throw seeds out there and, I'm a wheat farmer, I'm a rye farmer, blah, blah, blah. You make a mistake, you die. You get 150 things will kill you if you do things wrong. Please check out, let's see, Gil's live stream on Friday. This is important. It's like drive me nuts, kind of. Okay, dry goods. Dry goods are rice. These are bulk heavy items. It goes into a 5-gallon, this is an example, like rice, goes into a 5-gallon container. Now, you got your beans, you got your rice, you got your wheat or barley, your choice. I prefer barley. You got your buckwheat, whatever. Those should be on the bottom of your food pantry. And you need one of these to seal it, unless you have gamma seals, or if you have that wonderful, Miss Vital showed you, that wonderful pet food container, it has a gamma seal. It's food grade safe. You can put those on the bottom of the shelf, way at the bottom on the floor. Totally protected, a lot heavier than a food grade bucket. And you don't need to use one of these. On a food grade bucket with a regular lid, you need one of these. With the gamma seals, like Miss Vital Survival showed, it makes a wonderful cachet too. So go check out that video and help her out and sign up. She's a mother of 3 and she lives in New Jersey. So she needs all the help she can. All right? Tired. Sorry this is long. Don't forget to check out my friend, the Ungrateful Peasant, Wayne G. He has a wonderful storage area designated for this. He has water, he has food, all set up. He does not have the construction fencing for the canned goods so they don't fall off the shelf. Uncle Alan does. I just roll it down. It's on a heavy dowel. Roll it down. It's tight. Unless I have like a 7 or 8, nothing's going to be flying off those shelves. Okay, I'll catch you later, folks. I have to do another series, and I got to clean up and set up for the next one. All right, let's try to get this to 100 because YouTube always cuts me off below 50. After 50 views, I'm in the YouTube ghetto again. Okay, folks, catch you later.